What are the account types that are available in Malaysia? First, cash account. The trading limit is based on your cash on hand only. There are no extra trading limit given in any circumstances. For example, today you bank in a 10,000 ringgit. Your trading limit would be 10,000 ringgit only. Once you use up the 10,000 ringgit, if you like to make further purchases, you need to make another deposit again. It is the cheapest brokerage among all products, and it is more suitable for beginners as your losses could be limited. It's up to your cash on hand only. Second, normal collateral account. There will be 3 times limit given to your cash on hand or 2 times limit given on your shares on hand. For example, today you bank in a 10,000 ringgit. You can buy up to 30,000 trading limit. 2 days after the transaction, then only you make top up for the another 20,000, or you can sell it off either in gain or loss. If it's in profit, it is contra gain. If it is in losses, it will be contra loss, which you need to make the top up for the losses. It is slightly higher brokerage than the cash account, and it is more suitable for those experienced traders or investors who like to leverage up their cash on hand for the maximum returns. Third, margin account. Purchase stocks by lending money from a broker with a periodic interest rate. It must be collateralized with cash or shares on hand. For example, today you bank in a 10,000 ringgit, the broker will offer you another 20,000. That means you can buy up to 30,000. For the extra 20,000, you just need to pay for the interest only. Normally, it offers the same brokerage with the normal collateral account. It is more suitable for those long-term investors, especially if you are interested with those like blue chips counters. This is the good product for you to leverage up. For example, like banking counters, Maybank, CIMB Bank, they offers a good dividend yield and you might get some capital gain from that. And it might be higher than the interest rate that you are paying. So it's a good deal. Those are the basic account types in Malaysia. There are many more. Feel free to ask us and get the one that suits you the most. Thank you.